Hi everyone, my name is Teacher Dimple, teacher from Advanced Academy. So, what are we going to do today? Today, we are going to study computer. And if you remember, in the last video, I taught you about the keyboard, right? Now today, I'll be teaching you about the mouse. I'm sure all of you must have used the mouse, but today we are going to talk about the left click, right click, double click, clicking and the drag option. We can do all these things with the help of the mouse. So let us begin. Alright, so everyone, this is my screen and I am using a laptop. Alright, I don't have a mouse, I'm using a laptop. So, you can take this as my left click and this as my right click. जो mouse होता है उसमें दो buttons होते हैं, left mouse button and the right mouse button, right? So, आप ऐसे imagine करना that this is the mouse because laptop में this is the only mouse that we have. So, this is my left button and this is my right button. Now, first I am going to teach you what is clicking. What do you understand by clicking? Clicking means pressing the mouse buttons, pressing and releasing the mouse buttons, right? It is done after pointing at an item. Like this is my screen. There are so many icons on my screen, right? Can you see them? Alright, now suppose if I go to this icon of this PC. Can you see the cursor? I brought the cursor to the icon of this PC. Now I can click on this PC. See, I clicked it once. This is called clicking. What is clicking? Just the pressing and releasing of the mouse button. It is pretty easy, right? You just have to press the button and you have to release it. So this is called clicking. Okay. Now let us talk about single click. Okay. What is the meaning of single click? Single click means releasing the left mouse button after pressing it once. Okay. Where do we have the left mouse button? Here or here? It is this side. This is the left mouse button. So what is single click now? Now I am pressing it and I am releasing it. Let us go to one icon. Here I have the icon of Revision Computer 2. Can you see that? Revision Computer 2. So what did I do? मेरा जो pointer है, I took it over Revision Computer 2. ठीक है? हम यहाँ तक आ गए. Now what am I going to do? I am going to press the left mouse button. I pressed it and I released it. Now what happened? When I pressed and released it, जो Revision Computer 2 वाला icon था मेरा, it got selected. Can you see? बाकी के जो icons है, they are not selected. But because I clicked on Revision Computer 2, it got selected. So what do we use this for? A single click is for selecting an item. Okay. Now let us talk about double click. What is double click? Releasing the left mouse button after pressing it twice quickly is called double click. A double click opens the selected item. See. Again I will go to the left mouse button. What do I have to do now? For double clicking, what am I going to do? I am just going to click it twice. I am going to press it twice very quickly. ठीक है? Again I am taking one icon that is of. Let us take the icon of Google Chrome. See, I took this icon of Google Chrome. Now I am going to double click. Now I double clicked on it. Now when I double clicked on this icon, what happened? It opened. Google Chrome opened. Right? when I double clicked on the icon of Google Chrome, what happened? जो Google Chrome था वो open हो गया, right? Let us close it now. See, if you see over here, what did I do? जो मेरा लेफ्ट क्लिक था वो मैंने 2 बार जल्दी जल्दी से प्रेस कर दिया. So what happens? Whenever you want to open any of the icons, any of the files, what you can do? You can press the left mouse button twice very quickly. Okay? I hope this is clear to you all. Now let us move on to right click. What is right click? Releasing the right mouse button after pressing it once is called right click. Here we have the right mouse button, right? We have the right mouse button over here. So I am pressing it once and I am releasing it. What happens when you do this? It displays a list of properties of the selected item. Let us see on the screen what is going to happen. Now I am going to choose one icon. Suppose I choose recycle bin. Now I am going to right click on recycle bin. When I am pressing the right click button, what can you see? We can see the properties of the selected icon. We can see the properties of recycle bin. Now if you want, you can open the recycle bin. We can empty recycle bin. We can pin to start, create shortcut, rename properties. There are so many options, right? So जब भी हम किसी भी आइकन पर राइट क्लिक करते हैं तो क्या होता है, उसकी जितनी भी प्रॉपर्टीज होती है वो हमारे पास में शो होती है. ऑल राइट, नाउ द लास्ट वन इज ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप. व्हाट इज ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप? ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप मीन्स टू सिलेक्ट एन आइटम एंड मूव इट टू अनदर लोकेशन ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. क्या होता है ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप का मतलब? कोई भी आइटम को सिलेक्ट करके उसे कहीं और मूव करना. ऑल राइट, अब हम कैसे कर सकते हैं ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप? इट इज वेरी इजी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, you have to move and bring the mouse pointer to the item which you want to move. This is like this. I can move the mouse pointer. I'm moving my mouse. So see, when I'm doing like this, my pointer is moving on the screen, right? Now I have this one icon on my screen called props. I want to move it. So what am I going to do? First, मेरा जो कर्सर है वो मैं इस आइकन पर लेके आऊंगी, props वाले आइकन पर. Okay, I brought it over here. Now I'm going to click on it. मैं इस पर एक बार लेफ्ट क्लिक करूंगी to select it. ठीक है? I selected it. Now what do I have to do? I have to press and hold the left mouse button of the mouse. जो मेरे माउस का लेफ्ट बटन है, मुझे उसे प्रेस करना है और मुझे उसे प्रेस करके रखना है. यू डोंट हैव टू रिलीज इट. आपको उसको प्रेस करके रखना है. एंड देन यू हैव टू पुल द आइटम टू द डिजायर्ड लोकेशन. मैंने ये प्रेस करके रखा है एंड सी, नाउ आई एम पुलिंग इट. कैन यू सी हाउ आई एम पुलिंग इट? कैन यू सी इट? I am pulling it. Now I want to drop it over here. तब मुझे क्या करना है, अगर मुझे ये वाला जो आइकन है ये मुझे यहाँ पर चाहिए तो मैं इसे यहाँ तक लाकर मेरा जो बटन है उसे छोड़ दूंगी. So what happened? जो मेरा props वाला आइकन था वो यहाँ से यहाँ पर आ गया, राइट? कैसे आया? मैं props वाला आइकन पर पहले गई, मैंने उसे सिलेक्ट किया, फिर मैंने उस पर क्या करा था, मैंने उसके बाद में आई प्रेस्ड इट अगेन और मैंने प्रेस करके रखा. आई प्रेस द लेफ्ट माउस बटन और फिर मैं उसे पुल करके मुझे वो जहां पर चाहिए था मैं उसे वहां पर ले आई. Wasn't it easy? It was, right? So this is how the mouse works. We learnt about clicking, then we learnt about double clicking, left click, right click and drag and drop. I hope this topic was very clear to all of you. I'll see you all next time. Bye everyone.